Making text visible on screen. Rip D-boy.
Oh, what did I do?
Is stream back?
Yes.
I see a different guy who is an actual gamed dev. Where is D-boy?
Oh. Guys, how do I guys? This is very important, guys. It's time to duel. Why can't I? How do I? Where do I go? Where do I go? I go to...
Try breakpoint on the print hello world to verify the debugger is correctly connected.
Okay. Sure. How do I know it's...
Himstar said he gonna crash stream soon again.
It's working, I think. How do I go ahead? Step over, step over, step out. Step ahead. Keep going. There we go. Pimsta sucks. There we go. Right. What's happening? Hello? Hello? Oh, it's in launching, guys. So login is in launching. So we go to launch and it's gonna be, I believe, here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm a genius. How do I get rid of this? So Adam says reference.
Genius? Ha ha ha.
Pimsta sucks. Nice. Into the filter in VS Code's debug console. I don't know what that means. Isn't this? Isn't this the... Oh, wait, here? Wait, there? No. I don't think that is... I don't think that is it. Guys, this is so exciting. Are you guys excited?
D-boy, you ever heard of the Dunning-Kruger effect?
I'm not sure. I'm not sure what he means here. Integrated terminal to remove that on your simple by typing this. So the terminal is this. How can I type in it? It won't let me type in it because it's not the correct terminal. It will be this. This will be the correct terminal. But this doesn't do anything. It's giving me an error. Integrate, just try this resolution console. Integrated terminal. Wait, where's this? Is this like a thing you can add here? Launch, change the console settings. Is this it? Is this it, guys? Are we swimming? No. Unless... Ah. Huh? Wait, what? Wait, what? So... Oh, I think I understand. So I'm supposed to look at this one, right? Not this. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to be looking at this now. Okay. Cool. So we're looking at this terminal. Okay, cool. For debugs. Right. Yeah, but it's having all these annoying things. Right? So I'm trying to get rid of these annoying things that have nothing to do with the game. Yeah, I changed it to the terminal, which removes the annoying stuff. Because I cannot get rid of it. Yeah, like you cannot get rid of it. So that's why this is a thing. How do you see? I mean, it's not so bad, right? It's just this stupid thing here. It's fine. But guys, we made a lot of progress today. Game 2 is awesome.
A lot.
I'm still not sure what he means by this. Okay. If you close the editor. Oh my god. Oh my god. I don't even have the editor open in its launching. Wait, my mind is blown. Hold up. What? That's freaky. All right. Hello world. Gdisk print. Insta sucks. Print. So true. Print. BTS. Yo. Is there an easy way to launch this? I just click play. Okay. What happened? What happened? I broke it. What happened? Ah. What? Ah.
You did not broke it, you just ran different stuff.
Okay. So now it says, hello world, Teamstar sucks, so true, exclamation points, BTS, yo. Wow. 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 Okay. This is awesome. Okay. Now, what do I want to do? Now, I would like to connect Now I would like to connect. Now I would like to do it differently.
Now
Okay.
change color of Pimster sucks in C# code.
I would like to do it differently. I would like to... okay. I want a reference. Yeah. So I want a reference. So how do I make a variable? A variable, I want to make a variable. Do I just do var? Variable?
Maybe you want to read a book about C# before?
No.
Varlamau.
Var? Doesn't work.
Define the type.
Define. Find the type. Okay. What? Class. Export. Export. Private node type. Okay. No type. Private. Um. Type name equal type label text.
Do you really not know C# before jumping into this?
Equal.
Say goodbye to var Mr. Dorothy boy, you're not in consis anymore.
Export type name. Export type name. It's not working.
No more Ministry of var for you, D-boy.
It's not working, guys. It's not working. What did we do wrong? What did we do wrong?
To break it down, the export is an attribute to that class field. Private is the accessor keyword. Node the type and label text the name of the field. Just quit.
No.
Munglo, start your C# stream because watching D-boy's C# is painful.
Remove type.
Just kidding, I am having fun when D-boy feels pain.
Node is the type. Ah, okay. Interesting. On ready. Ready. Is there like an on ready? Is there a... So then, will it just be private node label text to... These are the only two things I have. Is this the only two things I have? I know to see it in export. I don't want to see it in the inspector. Right now we're just checking out variables, okay? What other type of variable can I have? Besides export and normal. Yes, the attribute, yes, I understand. Holy fuck. What kind of types do I have besides exports and... Oh my god. You guys are hilarious. You guys are hilarious. Yeah.
What about reading some C# and Godot tutorials?
Yeah, okay. So, I understand... okay, so how do I do a... right, so how can I do a So I do a private string test 7. I don't think this is correct. Or is it correct? It's just I need to add something.
You forgot to write notes.
It's correct. So this is correct. Okay. Oh, all right. So it's grayed out if it's unused. I'm still getting used to the colors. Okay. Private int test 6.7 equal to 6.7 private float Teamstar sucks equal true. Oh, sorry. Bro. It was bro, not. Private float. How much does he sucks? About 6.7. No, I added the thingy. I added the thingy. Why are you guys saying F? Why are you guys saying F? What's with the F? Just... It is a float.
I can't. This guy thinks his stream is effing.
Why are you guys saying F?
Write 6.7F.
Why? Why is it like this? What the fuck? What the fuck is this? What the fuck is this?
Because F is float, otherwise is double.
I don't understand.
You wouldn't understand.
Yeah, I don't understand. Okay, cool. Anyway. Right. So, next up, guys. Wait, now it's being used? For references? What?
You don't understand because you didn't read book about C#.
Okay. Right. So, next up, guys, what I want to do, and this is what I wanted to do before, is I don't really want to export, right? We're not going to export, but what we're going to do is... I will make a private
Compiler
label,
will resolve what the number you write is. So it uses the F trailing to know it is a float and not a double.
which is a label text example.
Reading book is not in D-Boy's repertoire.
right? And then what I'm gonna do, guys, is on ready.
You see 4 references because it automatically generates file for Godot 2.
I will get children. How do I get the get parent get wait is it
Bro, at first you need some OOP training.
get child get node?
Don't
node.
get children because you will need to raise them.
Get node. Get node. I'm guessing 0. What?
Don't get children, you need a GF first.
Type. Label. Now this is not what I want. This is not what I want. No, this is not what I want. No. Is this the only way it works? Is there no way for me to do something like, let me show you. Something like get child get wait a minute. I don't even know how it works. Hold on. I want to get the first child. Is there documentation? Yes, get child index. That's what I want. Get child index. Okay, we are learning. We are learning, okay. Is there a way to not do label? Is there a way to not do the type? Is there a way to not do the type? That's what I did, Munglo. Munglo, how behind are you? There's no way you're this behind. Jeez, why are they playing like this, man? Why are you locking them like this? What are they doing?
Why this miner so slow?
Fuck's sake.
It was probably minor.
Okay. Let me see what the problem is. I don't know what the problem is. Let's see. Oh, right. 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 Because if you lose the buff. Okay, that worried me. I thought it's gonna be a major bug. They can't use shift. Does that mean you cannot use shift? Oh. Sorry guys, I'm getting distracted a bit. I apologize. Um What's the inventory though? Building inventory. Oh, no, wait. Wrong thing. Oh, here we go. Okay, one bug fixed. I wonder if this goes into minus. That's the only thing I can think of. No, wait. This has nothing to do with the... Do you guys know what's going on here? I wonder if this becomes like... Maybe something bad is happening here. No, it shouldn't, because it's not going below... It's not possible to go below 0. Weird. Okay. More and harder achievements. Really enjoyed the game. Keep the good work. I'd love to see more harder achievements. Also, I've reached 500 limit. Multiplayer mode. Jesus Christ. No. Are you guys still alive? Hello? Housekeeping, hello? Um, just back. Right. Um, okay. And now I want this to change. So technically I want this before this, right? And then I want in hello world, what do I want to do? Well, I want to print this onto this. So I'm guessing I have to do this text equal hello world. Is this correct? I sure hope so. Get set. This might not be correct, guys. It's possible. Then we want to call Teamsta sucks. Then we want to call so true and then yo. Okay. But now, let me see what happens. I'm curious. Okay, it does work. Cool. Now, I want to create a timer between each one. I want to await, create. How do I create a timer? Without timer, create timer, timeout. Is there like is there a place I can look stuff up, stuff for C#? Add child. Oh, here it is. Await to signal get tree create timer. Scene tree timeout. There's no way to instantiate the scene and call the construct of the script at the same time. Okay. Performance. Prefer using static string name. Right. So I need to basically do this. Oh, wait. Scene tree. Interesting. And this is gonna work. Let's find out. Yes. Okay. So this is 1 second. Interesting. I mean, this is not bad. It's not bad, but it's not crazy difficult. I just need to understand. Once I understand the syntax, then it's gonna be much easier. Like public versus private only in the same script. Yeah. Then I need to figure out the difference between. Is there like an initiation? No. I don't think there is. I could be wrong though. I wonder if there's a place you can look this stuff up. I wonder if Godot has, does Godot have documentation related to C#? So if I look up already, what? What can I? Huh? Where can I search stuff about ready? The fuck is this? What? Do I need to open? Maybe I need to open. No, it should be the same information. Um. Class reference. Oh, here we go. Okay. Nodes. Nodes. Ready. Oh, you know why it could be? Because it's a node. What can I read about Node 2D? This. Initialization. And I just read something that you cannot really instantiate things. Because we don't have this. I don't think this exists, right? Yeah. I don't know if I change main. What is even main? It has to be a 2D node, right? No. So I guess it doesn't have it. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay.
Make sure that C# is case sensitive and method names are written in uppercase.
Why?
Because you wrote in lowercase.
Anyway, regardless of how I write it, it should show me if it's available. Right. But it doesn't exist anyway. It doesn't have it.
I think you wanted to use class constructor here.
Class construct. Interesting. How does that work?
Try just main.
We are in just main. You are inside it. We are inside it.
Try writing main inside.
Why would I write main inside? That makes no sense. How is this gonna help me?
Because that is constructor.
And what do I look for now? What do you want me to do here?
Do same as in init.
There is no init.
I said do same as in init, but call init. Not call. It is your init.
This? I don't think you're right.
G's.
Cheese? Jeez Louise.
You write in constructor what you wanted to write in init.
That's okay. Mr. Human, how's it going? God, I'm exhausted. What an eventful day. We've done so much today, it's crazy. We've done so much, holy shit.
C++, C++, C++.
Guys, we've
I am
made so much
exhausted watching
progress.
D-Boy.
Look what we've done.
Yee.
Look at this. Watch this. This is all you guys. Hello world. Pimsta sucks.
Do you even understand async?
So true.
Now redo it properly in C++.
Exclamation point. TTS yo. Let him be proud of his achievement. That's right, guys. Be proud you were here and you saw it. It didn't take us long. It did not take us long. Now.
No, not long.
Definitely not. No.
At all.
No. Yeah, true.
It will be rough at the start, but it will also be good teaching, getting you to understand types and programming better. Especially the setup was very quick.
Yeah, the setup was very quick. Was very, very quick, for sure. WM, thank you. So, what's next? What is next? I mean, this is pretty much it, right, guys? This is C#, right? Now explain to me, how is this more performant than GDScript? Why is it more performant? Like, if I do this, what the fuck is this? If I do this in GDScript, this will be more performant. No.
It's not. If you want performance, go C++. I'm serious. Why are you asking us to explain when you chose C# having own reasoning? If not, then would you switch to C++ if we say to switch? C# runs on virtual machine, which is semi-interpreted, whereas script is fully interpreted language. With virtual machine you have so many optimizations available, unlike with interpreted langs. Well, it is mostly because you know type checking overhead, but also it is more performant when avoiding the Godot API in general.
Oh yeah, okay, cool, cool. You guys make a lot of sense, which means you don't make any sense. But the dog collection, what does that mean? So, So wait a second, because I'm still a bit confused. Does that mean I cannot use? Does that mean I cannot use these? No, I can. What the heck? What's going on? FPS is all over the place. What the fuck? My question is, no, I don't see anything. Interesting. So I don't see anything. There's nothing. Right, so then how do I debug functions? But in this case, methods. Alright, methods. Hey, Boolean. I'm trying to learn C#. So run. No, it's fine. So where do I learn? Where do I go for? Because if I run it from here, I have nothing. Alright, Pimstar sucks. So true. Exclamation point TTSO. But how do I debug this? Yeah, how do I debug the methods? The same way you can do in no, not breakpoints. No, I just showed you, but you're not paying attention, are you? You're not paying attention. You're not paying attention to the class. All right, when you run it from here, you have this. You have this where it shows all the functions, all the methods, how much time they take. On which frame? So yes, the script, yeah. You have to include Tracy Profiler. What is that? Is that an add-on? What is that? That's the only thing? Bro, that's... No. Like... So then you don't really know what's happening with your game, do you? That's bad. That's bad. If you have no idea what's going on frame to frame, then how can you optimize? Let me show you. Let me show you. Right, look at my game. And then you look at the profiler. And it's gonna tell you everything you need to know. Right? So then you can see like how much something is taking, how many calls per frame. Right? How many things are happening. It's very much needed. Tracy Profiler. Okay, what is this? This is like a... Holy shit.
If you want performance, you'll have to re-A C++ inside engine module.
Guys, maybe we should go back to GDScript. Maybe this was a mistake. Maybe we are too dumb. Is it possible that we might be too dumb? It is. Impossible.
D-boy, I said earlier, GDScript is for you, save our sanity. Ginger was right.
Ginger was right.
Unity arc?
I can do Unity arc because I don't know C#. So it'd be a waste.
Screw Unity. What is this suggestion?
But I would want to learn, I would want to work in it. I wouldn't mind working on it, but it seems like you have to go through so many hoops to do anything.
You would get much better at general programming if you just stuck with C# for a bit. Coming from only GDScript, you lack so much fundamentals.
No, I
no
think
reason
Unity is
to
great.
hate Unity. Go Bevy and Rust. Millions reasons to hate Unity. Unity is here reason 1. Also, you don't need to learn anything, just use UI.
Yeah, but I no, because no. So no. Because then I can't learn shit. I want to learn shit. I don't want to not learn shit.
Screw AI2. Stay stuck with C# for a while. You'll learn a lot.
What things will I be learning? Study pose.
And C# is the easiest next step. Once you get a grasp of that, other languages will also be much faster to learn.
Why am I gonna be learning? What?
You know you are tired and easily influenced with shitty stuff we talking here. Take a rest, tomorrow things will look clearer.
Guys, was Slay the Spire 2 made in C# or GDScript? Do you guys know?
Let's go binary, and make a game in 20 years. We will be in grave, but it will be performant at least. I've noticed that you don't know much about hash sets, generics, lists. You'll learn about interfaces and maybe something about asynchronous programming.
They made it in GDScript, the whole game. The whole game is made in GDScript. Oh no, wait, no. They are using C#. Wait, no. Wait, what? Yeah, no, they are using C#, looks like.
Why did you start new project in C# in the first place? Game is not an outcome of a programming language.
Interesting.
That depends from the game. It doesn't matter what a game is made in. What matters is what you want to get better at. Do you want to be better at programming? Do another language. The easiest step from GDScript is C# when using Godot.
Okay. I can see how that can be a thing. I guess we're gonna stick with it for now. If I get too frustrated, I'll switch, but for now I'm gonna stick with it.
Easiest thing doesn't mean right thing.
Well, I can't really waste a lot of time, guys, because it doesn't work like that, right? If I'm not pumping games, then I'm gonna become homeless. You can't just sit around and try to learn things when you can be making the games.
Also, C# opens up a massive ecosystem of other libraries. Want Lua or Twitch support? One console command away.
Right, I can't be wasting time like that. Like, it'd be cool if I could, but I can't. I need to be making games, right? And not only do I need to be making games, they also need to be successful to make this viable. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe not game 2, maybe then just a small side project. Right? A small side project. Maybe it's about fishing. A game, incremental game about fishing.
Personally, I would suggest to do a simple game first, like ping pong. Then try to do something bigger to slowly learn things up.
Is trying to learn Unity a no-go? It's a go-go. But I don't know C#.
Just making a game in NextEngine/Lang when you want to be productive and go fast is a big ask.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're gonna make a small project in C#.
Unity is go go goo goo.
Like, I would love to like also try Unity. I want to try Sandbox. I want to try so many things. But in my mind is always racing. Like, I don't have the time. I don't have the time to be learning things. That's the problem. So I think fishing game.
We all don't have time. But to learn you will need to find some time in any case. You've
Fishing
watched
game?
a Steam chart for 2 weeks stare. Stay in one ecosystem. Jumping from engine to engine is bad thing.
Fishing.
You're a single, full-time gamed dev. I don't know who has the time if you don't, brother.
Fishing game. Fishing game? Cool. We're doing a fishing game. It's gonna be interesting because if I'm doing a fishing game, then we can dip our toes into like also garbage collection and things like this.
Fishing game with a boat.
Yeah, sure, we can have a boat.
Are you doing fishing game because Thornity does one?
No. I always wanted to make a fishing game. Inventory management.
3D fishing game.
Yes.
Let's go.
Well, it's gonna be a small game, so it cannot be a big game. Like simple fishing game. That's it. Right. I think the mechanic from Mr. Fanboy. We're just gonna try to do this, and that's it. We're gonna make a state machine for the player. And just go around catch fish. Right. Like this.
No walking around, you're always in fishing mode. Cast, time your pull, that's all.
Can you put Halloween assets? I can use that for the event at work. What are you talking about? What event? What? What do you mean, Yuvika? I think you're overscoping the game a bit too much. but it does sound cool. I mean, actually, that does kind of sound cool. Actually, you're managing a bunch of fishing roads. That does sound cool. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. All right.
If you don't want to work on game number 2 anymore, why don't publish it on itch?
I am working on game number 2. What are you talking about? I'll definitely be working on game 2. Actually, I want to restart game 2. That was the whole plan, is to restart it in C#. But I'm thinking now that might take too long to do both, to learn C# and release game 2. So that's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. So let's... But I think I've learned a lot today. Both, right?
You might want to step away from C# for now. Read up about basic syntax/layout and the differences between C# and script. Now you have it working at least.
Any game I make, Yuvika, I want to release. There's no such thing as no release.
Are you going to create the fishing game just to learn or to publish?
Publish. Not just to learn. Both. Because that will push me to actually work on it, right? And optimize and do all that kind of stuff. Because it's a release. Guys, no, there's no guys, I'm still working on game 2, don't worry. And I'm still working on game 1. Don't forget about Mr. Fanboy. Alright. Alright, Mr. Fanboy, did you guys forget? There's Mr. Fanboy. 166. The erection is going up again. What? Oh, the player. All right, let's. Where are we going, guys? Where would you like to go? Where do you want to go? Like, I definitely want to also learn Unity, because I think, like, I love Godot, but my biggest issue with Godot, it goes back to the same issue I have with it on how Godot is not treated as a game, it's treated as an app by, well, at least the way the resources work, which is annoying. It's annoying. But yeah. What? What?
What?
What? What? What? Guys, thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of your day. Let's go say hello to Hachi.
What? In the butt.
The message should be, are you a streamer now? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Guys, I will see you tomorrow. And yeah, it was fun trying C#. C# was fun. And I think I'll continue trying C#. And my biggest issue with C# is that there's no experts in chat. Whenever you need an expert, there's no expert, right? So that kind of sucks. But besides that, I think we're gonna have fun.
It is hard to be expert with you.
True. But yeah. GG's, and I will see you tomorrow.
Some people got offended now.